Oh, it's Coca.
Oh, here we are recording.
Oh, yeah, it's a marathon over there.
Who says that?
Santi, my grade went from a 98, 89.4 to a 94.4.
Right in front of the video.
Is that bad? I'm just saying my grade went from a B to an
Okay,
Why does that 80?
so
A. Talking to Santi?
I know, but it's like we're recording. We're talking across the whole class. Things, you know. Okay, 5x plus 4y minus 2x plus 3y would be level 1. Would be level 1.
Oh.
This would be level 1. So, what do I get? Okay, what do we get?
3x plus 7y.
Okay, cool. 3x plus 7y. So be careful. My second and third period really had, just my second, really had issues with that minus. They really couldn't handle it. Third period, I taught it very differently, and then they were okay. So today I have to really focus on doing that. All right, level 5,000. Ready?
What's 36 divided by 10?
Right, get out.
Yep. Yep. 15 minutes after the bell rang.
15, actually?
Yeah.
That's great.
Wow.
The bell rings at 20, and it's
supposed to
about
do it
35.
now.
About 35.
Why?
But she can't do it now. No. All right. What makes this level?
Why does it have two? Why does it have exponent on top? Why does it have those numbers? No.
Yes, the exponents. The exponents make it level.
45?
Use your camera.
Man, 45 x.
All right. Is an x and an x squared the same?
No.
No. They are not. So can I put all of this together?
No.
No, you cannot. An x squared and an x are not the same. It's like this. It's like the x squared is a completely different letter. Completely different letter. Okay? So treat it like a completely different letter. Okay? So, because this, you don't have to write this down. This is really 5 times x times x. X times x is x squared. This is just 1x. So this has 2 x's. We can't put them together. We can only put the ones with the same exponent together. So I can put this one and this one together because they both have an x squared. So what's 5x squared plus 4x squared? Yeah. 9x squared.
So the exponent stays the same.
The exponent stays the same. Yes, the exponent stays the same. When you add exponents, they stay the same. When you multiply or divide exponents, it's a completely different thing, which you will learn in 8th grade. In 7th grade, I just get to teach you, like, hey, don't put these two together. That's all I have to teach you. All right, plus what?
4.
Okay? So, level 5,000. If it has an exponent, you can't put it together with the one that doesn't have it. Actually, technically, this one does have an exponent. Does anybody know the exponent? 1. An exponent of 0 is something, which you'll learn next year. But an exponent of 1. So there is an invisible 1 there. The exponent is 1. You just don't see it. It's invisible ink. You can't turn the page. I can't turn the page. Okay. Let's do another level. Level 5,001. Really? Really?
Really? Sorry.
Wow.
Stop.
Seriously.
Man, I need to flip the page out.
No, we're writing this down with the wonderful pencil that you borrow, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss, this is where like I wait for you to do it.
Well, I mean, you can do this.
Not that Hardy Pop.
I was gonna say something, but we're recording, so never mind.
There you go. Let them incriminate themselves. Noah, stop. We. Okay, so you can multiply with an exponent. So what's 4 times 3x squared? Look at you guys doing some algebra. Plus 20 plus negative 10x squared plus 16, right? Bring those down, bring those down. All right. This with this gets you what?
22. Wait, no, 2x squared.
Sounds wild.
2x squared.
2x squared plus
36.
36. Okay?
It's because he was doing that dream box.
Because he was doing the dream box.
Maybe because he's reading like the very kind of.
Okay. Level 5002.
No, we're playing up level 2 class.
I don't have enough room for my pages. That's why you have more pages.
That's why I have more people to buy.
New pages. I'm just kidding. I have to send it. Like 2 whites. 5,002.
Just will really stop writing.
I only saw because I ran out of room, alright? Not because you told.
Whoa. I did short.
Why not?
What? Now do we add the exponents?
Wait, so can we add the 3 and the 3?
Alright, so the-
So, you have to combine the ones with the same exponent. So, is a cube the same as a square?
No.
No. So, I got to keep the squares together, and I got to keep the cubes separate. So, Noah's going to provide us with the answer because he's ready to go.
Wait, no. I think but I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Okay, how many x squares?
7 x squared.
Plus, how many x cubes?
7 x cubed.
Okay, perfect, good. Now, technically, when we get into algebra next year, you know how I told you they wanted it in alphabetical order?
Yeah.
When it comes to exponents, so here's the next level. Do I expect you guys to do it here? No, but it's something to put in the brain. So first put it in alphabetical order, then what if it's the same letter with different variables? The one with the highest exponent goes first, and then so on and so forth, okay? So the one with the highest exponent gets written first, and then it trickles down. So in high school, your answers are going to look like this. 7x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 3, maybe minus x squared plus x plus 9. I can't wait for you guys to have answers like that. So,
I feel like my
notice they're all x's. We love to use an x. Highest exponent will go first, then it like 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the answer with no variable on it is the very last thing you write. So in high school, you will develop this, where highest exponent goes first, and then trickle down. Question?
Is there like two numbers with like no exponents? Do they go from highest or just keep the same?
So, like if I have here, I could do like all of this, right? And then I can have like like x squared plus y squared plus m plus x, right? So these two have the same the same exponent, but so then I go alphabetical order. X, Y, Z. Then M and X have an exponent of 1, so then it goes in alphabetical order. And then if I have, at the end, just number 10, no variable, that goes at the very end. So the number with no letter goes at the very end. That's just, why do we do this? So when you check your answers, we all have the same format of answers. Because like, if you put this one over here and this one over there, and you go, oh, Miss Amelia, I have my answer. Yes. What's your answer? And then you say it out of order, the kids are going to be like, oh, wait, did I get it right? Did I get it wrong? I don't have x squared at the beginning. I have it over here. So we do this, so when we say our answers, we all have the same order of answers. Does that make sense? Again, you'll do this in high school, but it's good to just put it in the back of your brain, or in the math test when you get this, you're like, oh, I got a, exponent. Don't put them together if they're not the same. All right, how'd we do? We did okay, right? Yeah. All right.
I don't know. Are you ready for this worksheet?
Not sure if we're gonna be able to finish since it's a modified bit. We might have to finish tomorrow.
That's so.
We could just like.
We could go. Yeah, whatever to the educated film. Yeah, what educated film?
Well, we taught this person that asked me at the beginning of the period while I was walking to the classroom. They were like, "Can we watch the educational movie?" And I'm like, "Maybe I'll play it in the background." Educational.
Okay, so Miss, you want to know what's an educational movie?
Yes.
For math?
Yes.
It's a movie called, Stand and Deliver.
Oh yeah, Stand and Deliver.
Stand and Deliver is educational for math. Educational to follow.
It is.
Yeah, we can learn, Miss.
Doesn't he do like 9 times 4?
Yeah, Miss. They're like in 5th grade or something.
I wonder if he does say anything mathematical that
They do.
No, but like that you would recognize now. You're like, hey.
Yeah, we would recognize.
That's why we should watch it. To see if we recognize anything he says.
It's just the front, just the back. What is it?
Let's just do the front right now. Why did the Spanish farmer say to his chicken? All right. So simplify each expression below. Find your answer at the bottom of the page. Cross out the letter above it. When you finish, the answer to the title question will remain. So my first answer was 19x plus 18. Notice what? Oh, right there, n. So we're going to cross out the n at the bottom. You cross out the letter at the bottom. Cross out the letter. Whatever remains is your answer. So again, reminder, Miss O'Malley loves to see your answers next to it, more so than the puzzle. She wants to see the answers next to each problem. So if there's a mistake, I can figure out donde está mistake.
So where's the educated film?
Oh my God, patience, young man, patience.
Stand and Deliver. I want to watch. Miss Lucia, she's gonna say it's an educated film that proceeds to put on Coco.
Cross out the letter. That was a pretty good movie.
Was
Oh, was it not to your standards, Saul? What was wrong?